right, 2022 Chrysler Pacifica air filter. It's 8mm. Got that one and that one, and maybe we'll do this one too. Loosen that hose up and get this thing kind of out of the way. This guy should pinch and come off. Yeah, you just push this down and pull it out. These bolts stay in. Nope, one of them fell out. We're taking both out. Yep. I'm assuming we won't lose them. Huh, sure. Pull this hose out so we can get it off. Boom. Air filter. Not horrible, a little dirty. Maybe I'll shove a rag in here and blow all this out. Put the rag, don't forget your rags in there. Alright. That's the part number. I'll put this in the description below for you. Just click the link. Nice clean new one. This used car. That one didn't really need to be replaced, but you know, we got to. Man, I put the whole rags in the wrong hole. Should put the rags in that hole. And this car wouldn't have run that well. Alright, my bad. You get the concept. Boom. This has slots on it. Go down in there. You're gonna want to get this tube on, just partially, and then try to flex this up and get them slots to line up and get it stabbed on in. Get it all in there. Squeeze back down. This guy clicks back in. Tighten them down. Don't go too tight, they'll strip out easy. Alright guys, I'll put the air filter in the description below. Click the subscribe button. Peace.